In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a handwritten signature to a document stored in your Drive using Google Docs' built-in drawing tools. Make sure you're signed into your Google account before you start. Begin on any Google page, like Gmail or the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. From that menu, select Drive to open your Google Drive. Once you're in Drive, find and open the specific document where you want to place your signature. This method works best with a Google Docs file, since that's where you'll find the insert menu we'll be using. With your document open, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Drawing and then click New. This opens the drawing window, which is where you'll create your signature. At the top of the drawing window, locate the line tool. It's an icon that looks like a diagonal line. Click the small arrow next to it to open the line style options. From that list, choose Scribble. Scribble lets you draw freehand, which is perfect for capturing a natural signature. Now use your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if your device supports it to write your signature right on the canvas. Take your time and write smoothly. If you don't like how it looks, press undo and try again until you're happy. A quick tip: writing a little larger than you think you need often yields cleaner curves, and you can always resize it once it's in your document. You can also keep your strokes continuous for a more authentic look, just as you would on paper. When your signature looks the way you want, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. Your signature will be inserted into the document at your cursor's location. From here, you can click the signature to move it to the right spot. Drag the corners to resize it proportionally, so it fits neatly on a signature line. If you need the same signature in multiple places, simply copy and paste the inserted image. That's it. Click Google Apps, open Drive, open your document, go to Insert, Drawing, New, choose the Scribble option, under the line tool, sign, and then save and close. With these steps, you can quickly add a clean, handwritten signature to any Google Docs file stored in your Drive. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.